Superfoods, we hear about them all the time. There's always a list of the best superfoods to include in your daily diet. Let's talk a little bit about superfoods. So they're usually given that name, it's like a badge of honor almost, because they have a lot of great healthful functions. For example, they may be high in antioxidants, have a lot of protein, have a lot of fiber. Well, I've picked out just a few superfoods that sometimes don't get all the attention that they deserve. Let's break them down. We have first chia seeds, one of my favorites, multiple properties to chia seeds. Number one, a great source of fiber. So with chia seeds, you can get about 10 to 15 grams of fiber in a few tablespoons. One of my favorite recipes for chia seeds is chia pudding. If you want to check out some of my fun chia seed recipes, check this video out right here. Chia seeds are also high in your omega-3 fats, so you're getting some healthy fats in along with the fiber. With this combination of fat and fiber, chia seeds help to regulate blood sugar, keeping our insulin levels and our blood sugar levels stable, and also, of course, improving gut health. So chia seeds make my list for fun superfoods. All right, moving out of the seed category for just a minute, we have sitting here Brazil nuts. Why are Brazil nuts a superfood? They're high in a lot of different antioxidants, including selenium. Selenium, which is a mineral, it helps to balance thyroid function and is very supportive for many of our female reproductive systems. So a great way to get selenium in is to take about 6 Brazil nuts every day. You also get some healthy fat in, a tiny bit of protein, and a great way of managing blood sugar. All right, let's do one more. Hopefully you're up for it. Flax seeds. You've heard of this before. Flax seeds have been around for a bit. Again, we've got another great source of both fiber and omega-3 fats, helping us feel full and keeping blood sugar levels nice and stable. All right, don't forget to add these into your daily diet. They are superfoods, but they sometimes don't get the attention that they deserve. I post new videos every week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. And if you do use these superfoods in any of your recipes, share them with us, because the more fun ideas, the better.